National Telecommuting Institute. National Telecommuting Institute, Inc. NTI is a 501(c)(3) nonprofit organization. NTI is headquartered in Boston. Since the inception of NTI, the nonprofit has expanded into 3 divisions: NTI at Home, LandAjob, and the Staffing Connection. The Medical Transcription (NT) division was disbanded at the end of 2014. The primary roles NTI fulfills include call centers, sales, customer service, Tier I and Tier Roman II help desk roles. In addition, NTI has provided third-party services to staffing agencies to help with their 508 needs. NTI supplies call center technology in addition to personnel. History. On June 23, 1995, NTI was started by the 3 founders: Dr. Paul Corcoran, chairman of the Rehabilitation Department at the Tufts New England Medical Center; Dr. Mark Schlesinger, chairman of Health Economics Department at Yale; and Dr. M.J. Willard, behavioral psychologist, who had spent the prior 15 years. Prior to NTI, Willard had spent 3 years as a research assistant to famed psychologist B.F. Skinner and concluded that his behavior modification methods could be used to train monkeys to help the disabled. Willard then focused her efforts on a non-profit called Helping Hands, Simian Aids for the Disabled, which was started in 1977. She spearheaded the concept of using monies to assist quadriplegics in daily tasks. Profile. The National Telecommuting Institute has developed partnerships with government and commercial entities. Funding. NTI receives its primary funding from participating state vocational rehabilitation agencies, competitive grant programs, charitable donations, and the Social Security Administration's Ticket to Work program as a participating employment network. Organizations and programs that have generously provided grants and donations to NTI include the @NT Foundation, the Charles Stewart Mott Foundation, the Fidelity Foundation, the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, the U.S. Department of Education, RSA Project with Industries, and the U.S. Department of Labor, Office of Disability Employment Policy. Employment fields. Initially, the fields such as indexing, medical billing, legal and medical transcription, proofreading, and appointment reminder services were amenable to telecommuting. However, over the past 14 years, most of these positions have faded away due to the evolution of cloud-based services and technology such as Drag and Dictate that have revolutionized transcription. Now, the greatest opportunity to employ individuals with disabilities in at-home positions exists within the fields of customer service, sales, and technology services, such as Tier I and Tier Roman II support. Customer service representatives (CS) are handling the inbound customer service calls within over 30,000 call centers throughout the country. Over 90% of NTI work-at-home placements within the past 3 years have been within call centers and help desks. Previous NTI work-at-home agents with disabilities have been hired by employers including the IRS, Ticketmaster, and AA Roadside Assistance. In 2004, NTI was awarded a JWAD contract with the Internal Revenue Service, placing hundreds of employees for tax forms assistance. Vocational Rehabilitation Systems. The 70-year-old federal/state vocational rehabilitation VR system is the largest network providing help to the 1.2 million disabled Americans who request government assistance in finding work each. Collectively, state VR agencies operate with a budget of $2.08 billion. The VR agencies have staff and a charter to develop home-based opportunities, but relatively few alternatives to offer their clients within their immediate communities. State agencies often use some of their funds to purchase services from non-profit organizations such as NTI when their clients in the disability community require specialized assistance. NTI works through VR agencies in approaching low-income members of the disability community who who can become home-based teleworkers to meet the growing demand from companies needing CSR. As of 2009, NTI has standing agreements with 47 state VR agencies. External link. Media related to National Telecommuting Institute at Wikimedia Commons.